think I could pop a wheelie backwards? Wouldn't that be cool? Alright, give my face, give my face. Holy! So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna disassemble this whole rear end. First, we gotta take off the seat. So I don't know how to get it. I guess we can start it like that. Alright. Cut. Look at that. Rewind everything, fucking trick it out and shit. But now today we're gonna get into this car, bro. We're about to take this all apart. This back end, this tire. No intros, bro. We just A-Leaf riders, bro. We just jump into stuff, bro. We gotta come up with something way better than that.
Bro, we need to take the gas off.
Yeah, we got. Okay, so basically what we're getting into is we ordered a new carburetor for this bike. So we're basically just, that comes in tomorrow. So we're gonna start taking apart everything to get to the old one and get that piece of that garbage out of there. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to cuss for all the kids.
But fuck it, look at that.
But yeah, so I guess
I don't know no cuss words you're gonna learn today.
Does this even have gas? And just so y'all know, bro, we already took this freaking carb off.
Once, twice.
And just to take the car off, you gotta take the whole rear end off, man. So that means this, the air box, which comes off with this. No, that air box comes off with this. I know that's not it. The freaking, what was that? The spring. What else? How's that one? One effing screw, bro. That slows you down. Come on, bro. Let's take a bath in gas. Who's got it?
No,
get some money.
Is a good one? Hey, I think that's the 2-cycle one, right?
But I don't think there's barely any gas.
Fuck it, bro. We're gonna put a new brand new, yeah.
The shit was sitting in here anyways.
What you doing, bro?
I'm trying to get this clamp off.
Get some pliers.
I don't know. We don't use tools around here. We use hands. Ask me how to tighten the screw.
God.
What was that? Yeah, I mean, what was that? I need some lessons, bro. Hit me up, bro. I got you. Hold on.
Bro, you gotta do it for my snap. Hold up. Nobody has seen it, bro.
Do it like champs, bro. We're reckless around here, baby.
Maybe this time we should actually clean this bitch.
For real.
That's exactly what I said. Y'all want to see me drain the gas so y'all don't think I'm not working? You see how hard this was, bro?
Right there. They call me Cody. I want to be James Harden. With the beard. I don't go here, bro. I don't know, bro. He's kind of missing right now. Yeah, I forgot that thing's
Who's the center for the Rockets, bro?
Who's the center?
You playing like that nigga right
Curry?
now.
No, LeBron. No, LeBron played for the Texans. I don't know, bro. I'm not listening, man. Magic?
Let's see some magic.
Wait.
Yeah, I already know that shit was stuck last time I tried to do it too, bro.
It doesn't even come down, bro.
How do you work this thing? Alright, so right now we're taking off the rear. So basically it's just these two bolts. Well, these three bolts, which is just this main one. This is this long one. And this side, this bolt, and then also the other one on the other side. I'm cute, right?
I wouldn't say all that, bro.
Bro, don't
I wouldn't say all that, bro. I mean, nigga, so I'm supposed to keep it G real with you, and G real, bro, you ain't cute, bro. I'm just kidding. I ain't trying to fuck up your self-esteem or nothing.
Alright, don't flame me. That's the wrong size. Oh yeah. So right here, this is a.
What kind of bike is it, bro?
We didn't even get to that. Okay, we're new to this. You have to work with. Give me. Hey, chill, bro. Chill. But alright, so this is a 2007 CRF250R. Built top end and bottom end. We got it from a redneck.
How red was his neck, bro?
That bitch was burnt. First thing I peeped whenever we went to go get the bike was this. We took off the stickers, but it legit says redneck. Hey, I have nothing against rednecks. I don't.
This bike was pretty. It's pretty good. But yeah, and then behind us we have a 450 Suzuki. Might as well just explain our bikes. 450 Suzuki 2006. And then I'm not explaining the cylinder, bro. Oh, bad. Alright,
So look, this bike right here is look, this black. This bike right here is freaking crazy. Right now it's let's not talk about that. But this bike right here is crazy. It has a brand new top end. It has a 492 head in it, so it's bogged out to like he said like a 500. It runs perfect, bro. This bike gets up and goes.
No traction. Ever.
No traction
Ever.
at all. And then this bike over here, that is a 2018 250F YZ. Or YZ 250F. This bike is just beautiful, bro. Like, first kick, bro. Edwin, show him the first kick, bro. Edwin, show him the first kick, bro.
Huh?
Show him the first kick, bro.
One take Drake. Let's see.
It's not gonna be first kick, bro. It's probably gonna be
Look, go, look. First kick, I bet you. Look, go like this. Do this. Push it down slowly. Like get the compression slow, and then do it once. Get a jump. Do one hard one. Okay, not first kick, bro. It's always on the third one, bro. It's a bad boy. You got a name for it yet?
Huh?
They got AirPods.
I'm about to play.
They went to the Apple store.
Really?
Real quick, keep it short. See this, you know what I'm saying? A-Leaf.
A-Leaf.
A-Leaf riders.
I'm repping Cozumel, you know. Never been, but
Listen, man.
I don't know if this thing is just
What are
strips.
you doing with that camera?
I just got it today.
Did?
Yeah, it's a GoPro.
We're vlogging. You're gonna be in the vlog. Wanna be in the vlog? You can show all your friends at school and be like, look at my cool brothers.
Now I'm gonna start streaming, huh? Yeah. Fortnite.
That bitch tight.
He's streaming on
Yo.
Yo!
But he brought a GoPro, no una camera.
Compré un GoPro.
It's vlogging.
¿Ah? ¿Esa cámara? Para vlog. You need to break it loose.
I'm gonna take the whole thing. Those are nice. They make like the stickers for them too, like if you want to change it. Yeah, that one's a nuevo. What's it? This one's a couple, buddy. Carburetor. Yeah, well, mañana llega. Tenemos que quitar esto. ¿Y este qué tiene? ¿Ah? ¿Este qué tiene? Cuando estamos haciendo el oceans, no venía con unas gaskets y esto lo ordenamos. Vamos a quedar. Ya le compramos la pata. Esa ni vino con
And filter, bro, right? That one didn't even come with the
It
filter.
didn't even have a filter. So it was just cycling all that bad oil. So all that, there's probably like a lot of buildup inside of the motor because it was just cycling all that bad oil. When I took off that cover plate for the filter, it was just black, like disgusting. And all right, so we got this rear off. Just do this. Can you hold this up?
Big man stuff. Where's the fin? We need to get the bearings too. So now what's coming off is this back shock, which is this top bolt. This top bolt right here, which is it. It's just unloosening this, and then this bottom bolt down here, which is kind of dark, but it's a one bottom bolt down here, and this whole thing just slides off. Once we have that out, everything else is
back home smoking legal. I got more songs than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on deep.
Alright, so we got this one out. Just bang it out. Just bang it out. Or actually, unloosen that bottom one, so we can have the same tension. No, just get the bottom one off first. Get that bottom one off first.
Honestly, we already had everything kind of not really back together. Well, back together, yeah, but everything was tight down. We're taking off the tire right now, or what? Yeah, you can take off that tire too. We can go ahead and get that off. I'll take this carb out, drain this carb real quick. The bottom bowl. Actually, it's on my freaking. Oh, no, never mind. Let me see a flathead. Let me see a flathead real quick. Get this to drain whatever in this bottom bolt. Or this bottom bowl. Yeah, it would be that. Bang.
That's all.
Now dirty as fuck.
Could use some cleaning. Might have to hit it with a hose.
We can hit it with the pressure washer, no? Think your dad would come out?
Big facts.
Pressure washer. Hit it with that pressure washer. Come on, Edwin, you gotta be in this too.
We got to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, yeah. Wow.
No, what are you looking for?
I misplaced things too fast.
Facts.
Hey, man. Take that camera from him, bro. Show that boy Edwin, bro. He's trying to be in the vlog, bro.
Tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow.
He said he looking a little rough right now.
Tomorrow, bro.
Hey, hold on.
Oh yeah, what we doing? Edwin?
Bro, it's because I look stupid right now,
You
bro.
wanna be in a vlog. Yeah, you can't hop from the Snapchat.
I hear nah.